Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a website on Squarespace. We'll start by selecting the perfect template from hundreds of professionally designed options, ensuring it perfectly matches your vision. Next, you'll choose a subscription plan, with options ranging from personal to business, offering various features and pricing. Finally, we'll guide you through connecting your existing custom domain or registering a brand new one directly through Squarespace, making your site uniquely yours. Now, let's dive into populating your site with engaging content. You'll easily add new pages, sections, and various content blocks like text, images, and galleries using Squarespace's intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Remember to upload high-quality images and videos to capture your audience's attention. Then, personalize your site's appearance by customizing fonts, colors, and other design elements to perfectly reflect your brand's unique identity and aesthetic. If you're looking to sell online, Squarespace makes it simple to set up an e-commerce store. You can add an unlimited number of products, manage inventory, set pricing, and configure various shipping options. To help people find your site, optimize it for search engines by adding relevant keywords and meta descriptions. Don't forget to integrate your social media accounts, allowing visitors to easily connect with you across different platforms and expand your online presence. Before going live, take a moment to thoroughly review every page and link on your website, ensuring everything functions perfectly. Once you're confident, hit the Publish button to make your Squarespace site live and accessible to a global audience. Remember, launching is just the beginning. Regularly update your content, add new blog posts, and monitor your site's performance using built-in analytics to keep it fresh, engaging, and performing at its best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.